My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Bmw X3. This vehicle has done just under 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access media and radio, communication and navigation, connected drive, my vehicle and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our cream leather seats, as well as our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.